Hi, welcome to Progress Academy. All right, on the board we have a polygon, PQRST, PQRST, and it says is a regular polygon. Okay, find the value of the angle ROVX. Okay, you see this is a polygon that has 5 sides. Okay, this side, this side, this side, this side, and this side. Okay, and these two sides QR and TX are produced to meet at V, and we are looking for the angle ROVS. Look at the angle we are looking for. All right, so how do we do this? A quick solution. From the question, they told us that the polygon is a regular polygon. In a regular polygon, we know that first you need to know that sum of interior angles, because if we find the interior angles of this polygon, it will help us. If we find the interior angles, the angles inside this polygon, it will help us to find V. Okay? And we know that sum of interior angles of a regular polygon is given by the formula n minus 2 bracket 180 degrees. That means if we want to look at the sum of all the interior angles, summing all those interior angles. But what about if we want to just find one of the interior angle? So that means each interior angle of a regular polygon will be dividing the sum, that is dividing n minus 2 into 180 by n, which is the number of sides. That will help us to find. So since our interest is in finding one of the angle, which is the same for each of the angles, so we are going to use this formula. Okay, good. So let's continue with this. Each interior angle now. What is the number of sides of this polygon? 5 sides. It's a pentagon. Okay, so that means n will be represented with 5. We have 5 minus 2 into 180 degrees divided by 5. What is 5 minus 2? It will give us 3. So 3 will multiply 180. We have 3 times 180 degrees divided by 5. Let's 5 divide this. 5 goes into itself 1. 5 goes in 18. You have 3. That is 15. Remember 3. We put the 3 here. It becomes 30. 5 into 30 will give us 6. Okay, now when we multiply 3 times 36, it will give us 108 degrees. That means each of the interior angle of this polygon is 108 degrees. 108 degrees, 108 degrees, 108 degrees, 108 degrees. Now, with the knowledge of what we have obtained here, let's see how we can find angle ROVS. Okay, going back to our question. If you observe this line, okay, you see that this line is a straight line. Okay, and sum of angles in a straight line will give us 180 degrees. That means let's try to find this angle. We know that this angle here, we can call it angle XROV or VRS, okay? I can say that angle VRX, talking about this angle, plus this angle now, because they are both on a straight line. So XRQ, and that is angle XRQ. Addition of the two angles will give us 180 degrees. Sum of angles on a straight line. So let's find these angles. This is what we are looking for. Therefore, angle VRX will be equals to 180 minus this. 180 degrees minus, and what is this angle here? It's 108. XRQ is 108. So minus 108 degrees. This will give us 72 degrees. So we have obtained this to be 72. Similarly, we can obtain this angle here, observing that this also is a straight line. Okay, TV is a straight line, or TSV is a straight line. So we can say that this angle also, we can say ROXV, angle ROXV plus angle, measuring this angle now, TXR. Both of them will give us 180 degrees. Similar theorem, sum of angles in a straight line. So therefore, this angle ROXV will be equals to 180 degree minus TXR is given as 108. So if we minus it, we still get 72 degrees. So here also is 72 degrees. So we can now find V using sum of angles in a triangle. We know that sum of angles in a triangle equals 180 degrees. Therefore, to find this triangle, this angle, ROVX will be equals to 72 plus 72. That is subtracting 72 from 72 from 180. Is going to be 180 degrees minus the sum of these two, 72 plus 72. Okay, angle RVX will be equals to 180 degrees minus, when we add these two, we have 144 degrees. Therefore, angle RVX will now be 180 degrees minus 144, which is 36 degrees. Bye.